This video is to show you how to use a wallflower by Bath & Body Works. This is a great fragrance, home fragrance device. The scents are fantastic and the throw is really good too. It's going to have your whole house smelling like the fragrance you picked. Our favorite is the Eucalyptus Spearmint. It's really fresh and a great scent. It's super easy to use. You're going to take your the scent that you chose and you're going to turn it. Now this is where it's a little tricky. You actually turn it opposite of what you normally would. So we're going to turn this way, like clockwise, to take the lid off. And then when you go to the device, see it's just going to go straight up here into the middle. And when you turn it, you're going to turn it to the left, going this way, again clockwise, and that's going to screw it into place. You'll plug this into your wall and you're going to be good to go. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up.